Lost sense of taste, causes and home remedies. A lost sense of taste may refer to a partial or total loss of taste. People may also use this phrase to describe an overpowering and typically unpleasant taste. Many medical issues may lead to a loss of taste. Some of these issues are harmless, while others may require a doctor to diagnose them. The type of treatment will depend on the underlying cause. Causes. The most common taste disorder is phantom taste perception. A person with this disorder will have a strong, lingering taste in their mouth, even when it is empty. The taste is often unpleasant and may overpower the taste of other foods while they eat. The taste may also occur alongside a persistent burning sensation in the mouth. There are three types of phantom taste perception. Ageusia. A complete loss of the sense of taste is called ageusia, which can make a person unable to detect any taste. However, ageusia is rare. The authors of a 2016 study estimate that only 3% of people who experience a loss of the sense of taste have true ageusia. Dysgeusia. Dysgeusia causes a persistent taste in the mouth that can mask other tastes and make all foods taste the same. People with dysgeusia often say that the taste has particular characteristics, describing it as foul, rancid, sour, salty, metallic. Hypogeusia. Hypogeusia is the term for a partial loss of one type of taste. A person with hypogeusia may be unable to detect one of the key tastes: bitterness, sourness, saltiness, sweetness, umami, which is a pleasant, savory taste. The tongue is not the only sense organ that plays a role in taste. Taste is a more complex sense that involves the tongue, throat, roof of the mouth, and nose. The sense of smell significantly affects how a person tastes food. Anosmia is the medical term for a loss of smell. A person may have partial or total anosmia, which may cause them to think that they have lost their sense of taste. Causes of taste disorders and a loss of taste include upper respiratory infections such as the common cold, sinus infections, middle ear infections, poor oral hygiene, and dental problems such as gingivitis. Exposure to some chemicals such as insecticides, surgeries on the mouth, throat, nose, or ear. Head injuries. Radiation therapy for cancer in this area of the body. Causes of smell disorders include getting older, smoking, growths in the nasal cavities, conditions that affect the nervous system such as Alzheimer's disease or Parkinson's disease. Some medications also affect a person's ability to taste. Diagnosis. Taste disorders are not uncommon. More than 2 lakh people in the United States visit their doctor each year complaining of difficulty tasting or smelling. Some experts estimate that up to 15% of adults may have taste or smell issues, even though many do not seek treatment. Specialists called otolaryngologists can diagnose and treat both smell and taste disorders. These doctors specialize in disorders that affect the ear, nose, and throat, as well as conditions relating to the head and neck. The doctor may look for growths in the mouth or nose, check a person's breathing, and search for other signs of infection. They will also review a person's medical history and ask about any drug use and possible exposure to toxic chemicals. The doctor will also want to examine a person's mouth and teeth to check for signs of disease and inflammation. To help diagnose the loss of taste, the doctor might apply certain chemicals directly to the tongue or add them to a solution that the person then swishes in their mouth. A person's response to these chemicals may help identify the affected aspect of taste. It can take time to identify both the type of sensory loss that the person is experiencing and the underlying condition, but a correct diagnosis is an important step toward proper treatment. Home remedies. In many cases, a person can take small steps at home to help improve their sense of taste, including quitting smoking, improving dental hygiene by brushing, flossing, and using a medicated mouthwash daily, using over-the-counter antihistamines or vaporizers to reduce inflammation in the nose,